Hello friends, welcome to our channel Metrology e-learning. Today we will learn about different parts of Vernier caliper and why to use Vernier caliper instead of simple scale.
Generally, people uses simple scale to measure different dimension like length, breadth of an object. But sometimes you may not get exact reading using simple scale. To overcome this, in the year 1630, French mathematician Pierre Vernier invented a tool to get an additional accuracy in the measurement. After his name, the tool is named as Vernier Caliper. The Vernier Caliper is a convenient tool to measure length of an object, diameter of a spherical object, internal diameter of hollow object, depth of hole. The Vernier caliper consists of main scale in the range of 150 mm to up to 2000 mm. At the one end of main scale, there is a one fixed jaw. On the right side of fixed jaw, there is a movable jaw. On upper side of movable jaw, there is a one other scale, which is known as Vernier scale. 50 divisions are marked on Vernier scale. Here you will notice that 50 divisions of Vernier scale are exactly matched with 49 divisions of main scale. The Vernier has two more jaws on other side. One is fixed on main scale, other is movable along with Vernier scale. These jaws are known as internal jaws. Lower jaws are known as external jaws. One blade is movable along with the Vernier scale. This blade is known as depth measuring blade.
Here introduction part of Vernier caliper ends. In next video we will learn about how to measure different dimension using Vernier caliper. So keep watching our video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.